No! Stickless Stick Shift Productions.
Steven, will you take out the trash?
Hello, I'm Steven Seagull. You may remember me from such films as Fighting 3, the continuation of the fighting from the second movie, and Punching with Your Feet, the ancient art of kiting. Now, I'm gonna...
Just take out the trash!
Fine.
It's ninjas or samurais or something. We're part of a secret organization. Yeah, that works too. Well, it looks like I just took out the trash.
That fighting scene was terrible.
Oh no! Set, go. Action.
You may remember me from such films as Fighting 3. They would continue... You may remember me from such films as Fighting 3, the continuation of the fighting from CJ.
From CJ. Jake, you're not supposed to follow. Whoops.